The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple and two key executives months ago for 7 years' worth of cryptocurrency distribution. Since then, Ripple's XRP, which the agency labeled unlawful, has contested the charges. A new court filing, however, hints that a settlement is in the works. So, will XRP relist on Coinbase? But first, at the end of the month, we'll give away $25 to one lucky subscriber to help them get started with XRP. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on XRP. Welcome to the XRP family. Let's help the XRP Hut community develop by liking and subscribing. One of Coinbase out-of-date web pages, displaying free cross-border XRP and USDC payment services, recently gone viral. According to the page's description, Coinbase users can use XRP and USDC to conduct rapid international payments between Coinbase accounts with no transaction or receiving fees. Furthermore, the website claims that this service is available in countries all over the world, including India, Mexico, and the Philippines. Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange based in the United States, erroneously relisted XRP on September 2 for a brief period of time on its Coinbase Pro platform. The community quickly took to social media to announce that the platform now supported the following trade pairs: XRP USD, XRP EUR, XRP GBP, and XRP BTC. This resulted in a spike in the price of XRP, however the token's price was pushed back down after Coinbase dismissed the rumors as a technical glitch. As previously mentioned, Coinbase has halted XRP trading. XRP was temporarily viewable but not tradable on the Coinbase Pro mobile app for some users due to a technical issue, Coinbase Pro reported on Twitter. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is reportedly suing Coinbase over an undisclosed lending product. The exchange recently stated that the SEC has threatened to prosecute Coinbase because the aforementioned unpublished lending product is a security. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong took to Twitter to criticize the Securities and Exchange Commission's arbitrary and confusing way of designating any person or service as a security. He claims that the exchange has met all of the SEC's requirements, yet he is still facing a potential lawsuit with no explanation from the regulators. Many XRP supporters accuse Hinman and the SEC of collaborating with Ethereum and supporting the altcoin in developing its market and profiting from its holdings, despite the fact that Ethereum issued an ICO. So whether XRP is a security or not will be determined soon, and the XRP community anticipates a settlement much sooner as a result of what attorney Jeremy Hogan has indicated. Now it is officially or legally admitted, said a legal expert who is closely following the situation. He also delivered a piece of paperwork to the SEC, Ripple's first request for administrative number 99, which was included in the latest court filing. According to a document titled Request for Admission Number 99, the SEC has never told a third party that it considers XRP to be a security. Following the SEC's response to Ripple's admission request, 99, the Commission objects that this request is immaterial since the Commission has the capacity to win this case even if the sought information is false. However, in its response, the Commission did not express an opinion one way or the other, rather, it simply supplied the most critical information for the litigation. The SEC implies that, while third parties inquired about the altcoin's legality, the SEC never officially offered a clear opinion on the subject. This information, according to the SEC, is meaningless because the Commission can win even if the requested truth is right. Hogan went on to add that Ripple's first request for the SEC's admission was attached to the most recent court filing, and that the SEC admitted in it that it never advised anyone that XRP was a security until the lawsuit was filed. That is now an official admission in the matter, confirming the failure of the Secretary. They have now admitted responsibility for neglecting to warn the public about the security danger posed by XRP. This shows that the SEC did not bring up XRP until the lawsuit was filed. Yes, this revelation contradicts Hinman's account. Hinman advised Ripple to discontinue selling XRP because the SEC viewed the transactions to be securities. Hinman was already on the verge of tumbling off the cliff due to corruption charges in the context of his 2018 address. Hinman may wind up losing more than the SEC as a result of this latest announcement. So, whether the SEC is telling the truth or Hinman's evidence is untrue, the SEC has created its own grave. So, according to Ripple's move to compel the SEC's interrogatory responses, Ripple wanted to know how to conduct the transactions under the Howey test and why they couldn't be securities. However, the US SEC has responded to Ripple XRP's request that it explain how the Howey test was applied in virtually all of the company's transactions over the last 8 years. According to the letter, defendants did not notify the SEC until fact discovery was completed, which was more than 7 weeks after receiving the SEC's first interrogatory response. They thought the answers were insufficient, so the SEC supplied 5 of the questions, met and conferred, and asked the defendants to indicate what specific information they still required. The defendants, according to the statement, declined and instead submitted the request less than 3 hours before fact discovery concluded. The corporation appears to be challenging the SEC to provide data proving the applicability of Howey's criteria, with the SEC directing Ripple to divulge more of its Slack discussions. The 4 prongs of the exam, on the other hand, have been met, according to the authorities. The SEC has responded substantively to the interrogatories at issue, as required by federal rules of civil procedure and its court's recent guidance that a party does not need to catalogue every fact or piece of evidence as long as representative samples are identified and meaningful disclosure is provided. The SEC, on the other hand, stated that Ripple's argument was simply a complaint over their response. On the applicable law, the Secretary of State and the accused hold opposing opinions. Ripple is also accused of putting off worries over the SEC's interrogatory responses. Despite the fact that it offered to provide additional information in response to the request, it did not do so. The SEC provided significant responses to 12 of Ripple's admission petitions on the same issues at hand, as well as interrogatory number 17, which Ripple would probably use to argue that the acquired estate condition does not exist. According to the motion Rippling, evasive responses should be interpreted as a failure to provide an answer or respond, increasing the pressure on the SEC, who has been evasive throughout the deliberation process. The motion also shows how the plaintiff avoided answering Ripple's inquiries. The SEC is becoming stuck, and the XRP will win, removing the biggest impediment to its pricing. It will be relisted on all firms, and while we're on the subject of relisting, XRP trade pairings have begun to surface on Coinbase. Ripple's price increased as trading volume increased in tandem with the bull's exuberance. For XRP trading pairs surfaced on the Coinbase website, causing many to believe that the crypto exchange had relisted the digital currency, according to FX Street. The Nasdaq-listed company had previously withdrawn Ripple off its platform due to a legal dispute between the blockchain company and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Coinbase paused XRP trading on January 19, with no news on whether or not it will resume trading for Ripple. Due to a technical glitch, the Delaware-based crypto exchange quickly announced on Twitter that XRP was temporarily viewable on the platform, but users could not trade it. When users expected the token to be relisted on the market, the price of XRP increased by 13%. However, once Coinbase rejected the relisting rumors, the price of Ripple dropped by 10%, wiping out the day's profits. If Coinbase does not want to fight the corrupt SEC alone, relisting XRP on Coinbase is a hot topic on social media. What will happen after the lawsuit, and when XRP is relisted on all exchanges, if a bogus listing can yield such a high price? So, do you plan to invest in XRP? If you want to learn more about XRP, there are 2 more videos on the end screen for you to watch. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for viewing, and I'll see you in the future video. Before proceeding, please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change quickly, so by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. This video's material does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not treat it as such. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, complete your own due diligence and talk with your financial advisor.